So I'm getting this 552 poppy closer and closer. So I filed the points, and then I've got a set of cables hooked up. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. But I just wrapped a rope around for now. And if I energize the coil, like that. Okay. So the coil is energized, and let's see if this works now. Okay, I think I can see it from there. I hope we can see that. So I have this coil energized, all right? Filed the points. I'm just going to give it a shot of ether and then yank on the rope. And I don't know how positive I am that this is actually going to fire, but even if it just makes a poof, I'm calling it a win. Alright. That wasn't a win. Give it a shot again. Well, that didn't work. I guess they're not messing around when they say there's no compression relief on that, huh? So I took apart this starter generator, and it actually looked pretty clean inside. I used this piece of 320 grit emery paper and a saw blade here to just clean up the armature. And now it's here back together. I did a bench test and it seems to spin pretty well. And I've got a battery here, and I've also got cables over there, and that battery's on the charger. And this is what I've got. So I guess I'll let those batteries charge, but they would they turned over a 10 horse just fine, so I don't know why they'd be struggling with this one. Maybe it is that compression release. Just to check, I pulled the plug, so I've got no compression. And still not rolling over very fast. I'm not sure what the deal is with that yet. Reading 12.4 volts, and now it's charging at 13 volts.